How to add a back button on any iPhone. In today's quick tutorial, I'll show you how to add a back button on any iPhone so you can navigate easily without using swipe gestures. This is super useful if you're used to Android's back button or if swiping isn't working properly on your iPhone. Let's get started. First things first, open settings on your iPhone, scroll down and simply tap on accessibility. Simply tap on touch and go to assistive touch. Turn on Assistive Touch, a floating button will appear. Simply tap Customize Top Level menu and tap Add a new or simply plus or what. Now simply add on plus. Here you can add a new action. Simply search for Go Back. Simply choose Go Back or Home button and simply tap on Done. After you've done that, now you can tap the Assistive Touch button anytime to go back, just like an Android back button. Now, if you have an iPhone 8 or newer, you can use back tap to go back by tapping the back of your iPhone. Just open settings, tap accessibility, and simply go to touch. And once you've done that, scroll down to back tap, as you can see here, and choose go back as the action. Simply go back as the action, and now just tap the back of your phone and it will act like a back item. And that's it. Now you know how to add a back button on any iPhone using Assistive Touch or Back Tap.